Hey there guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I have another cupcake recipe for you because lately we've been on a muffin and cupcake kick. But today we're gonna make some chocolatey muffins and I think you really like those. You want to start out by cutting down your chocolate into smaller chunks. Then you want to take your butter, and it should be room temperature, and you want to go ahead and add your sugar to that. Then you want to mix until it is nice and creamy. Then you want to add a little bit of vanilla extract to that. And it should look something like that in the end. And you want to go ahead and add in the first egg and mix that in very well. And do the same thing with the second egg. Now in a separate bowl you want to take your flour, your baking soda and your cinnamon and the cocoa powder. And then you want to mix that together. Now you want to also get the red wine. And now you want to go ahead and add your flour mixture to the butter mixture a little bit at a time. And whenever the dough is getting quite dry, you want to add in a little bit of the red wine. So you want to get a very nice smooth texture at the end. Just something like that. Now obviously you have to mix in the chocolate chunks, which we totally forgot, so we had to do it a little bit differently. And after adding the chocolate chunks and mixing them in, you're ready to put your dough into your cupcake tin. So we had to sprinkle them on top at the end and they sank down quite nicely, so it worked out in the end. And then you want to bake with a 170 degrees Celsius for 25 minutes. Meanwhile, you want to heat up some chocolate and melt it, and then you want to set that to the side to let it cool down. As soon as the cupcakes and the chocolate are cooled down, you want to go ahead and mix some more butter that has room temperature, and then you want to add the chocolate to that. Now it should still be somewhat liquid but cooled down quite a bit. Then you want to go ahead and add your powdered sugar to that. And mix that in to get a nice frosting. Now we had way too much frosting, so I would recommend using only half of the amount I put in the description, but you can decide that on your own. So now you're ready to decorate your cupcakes with the frosting, and that's basically the last step. So you can do it the way you want to do it. We decided to go with this more messy look because that's what they did in the little recipe that I saw. And I really like them. I think they're super tasty. I hope you give them a try. And yeah, the wine definitely added some nice flavor to them. I hope you enjoyed. Leave a like or a nice comment if you want, and I will talk to you soon. Bye!